This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hexagonal grid. First, let's understand the basic shape. A regular hexagon has 6 equal sides and 6 equal interior angles, each measuring 120 degrees. You can create these grids by hand, with digital tools, or through programming. Decide on your hexagon size, perhaps a side length of 2 centimeters, and prepare your tools. This foundational step ensures a smooth process for building your grid. Now, let's draw our first hexagon. Start by using a compass to draw a circle. The radius of this circle will be the side length of your hexagon, for example, 2 centimeters. Next, without changing the compass setting, place its point on the circle's circumference and mark off 6 equidistant points around the circle. Finally, connect these 6 points with straight lines to complete your first perfect hexagon. This method is quite precise and easy to follow. With your first hexagon drawn, it's time to build the grid. Place your second hexagon directly next to the first, ensuring they share one entire side. For the next row, you'll need to offset it by half the width of a hexagon. This staggered arrangement is crucial for creating that classic, interlocking hexagonal pattern. Maintain consistent spacing throughout your design to ensure a visually appealing and uniform grid. Continue adding hexagons row by row until your desired grid size is achieved. Hexagonal grids are incredibly versatile, finding use in game design, scientific modeling, and even art. For enhanced precision, especially in digital work, consider utilizing templates or software with snapping features. Don't be afraid to experiment with various hexagon sizes or orientations to achieve unique visual effects. Remember, a key characteristic of a hexagonal grid is that each hexagon has exactly 6 direct neighbors, a property vital for many practical applications. Enjoy creating your own unique hexagonal patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.